Okay, so we're back. Trade recap for the day, $150 W on GBP USD. Um, could have definitely done a bit better here. Um, I'll go over exactly like my entry points, my thought process, what I was thinking at the time, and now realizing, after reflecting exactly what these trade recaps are for, just for me to learn. Now I kind of have a little bit of a better idea of how I could have had done better here, but still my biggest dub so far in trading. So let's break it down top down. Um, so definitely bearish bias. I mean, these previous day lows pretty much immediately just got destroyed. And then we're just probably going to target maybe these lows here. I don't know how far we're going to go down, but we might honestly just bounce off and send a little bit. But we also did have some news today. Final GDP, and it was in favor of USD, so that's going to send GBP down a bit as well. Um, and I'll show you that actually it was at 8:30. So it did actually start off this little move right here. So that gave some bearish momentum off of that news here. So it was definitely bearish buys for the day. But I also did see this daily fair value gap here. So I was kind of patiently waiting to see how price was going to react to this, if it was going to respect this fair value gap or not. Because this is to me, this is like a key area, right? This daily fair value gap. Like, sure, it's been touched here a little bit. I guess, does this count as an inverse if it wicks through? I'm not sure. That's something I have to figure out. Maybe it does already. Like, this is already disrespected now that I'm thinking about it. But I kind of wanted to see how price was going to react to this level. So that's why I waited to enter on shorts here. So I was waiting to see, okay, if price breaks above this high here, then I was thinking I was going to enter longs just based off of the fair value gap. Just come back up to maybe London session highs or even just the top of this fair value gap here, right? But once it pretty much just disrespected the gap, just closed below, that's when I entered. Um, but thinking back on it now, I definitely could have got a better entry and a better RR here, because I did have my TP set down to here, um, which is I think previous day lows. Is that previous day lows? Or is that just another level I marked out? Anyways, just another target lows that I have marked out, right? But I entered here, right? Once this candle like closed, just barely closed below it, I entered. I should have waited maybe for a confirmation. Um, I mean, I felt like that was enough confirmation, but my the problem was my stop loss was set all the way above these 5 minute highs, whereas it could have just been set above these highs if I waited for this 5 minute retracement. So if I entered like around here, I could have had my um, stop loss here, and then it would have got like almost a 2 RR compared to what I had was pretty much just like this is what, like a point 0.5 R, no, point 0.8, sorry, 0.9 R pretty much. um so I mean, that's something that maybe, I don't know, I just kind of hmm, yeah, especially once this candle kind of bounced like this, once it wicked like that, I guess I could have realized that, this is coming for potential retracement into this fair value gap, if not just fucking reversing. So maybe that's definitely a sign that I should have waited for another confirmation and then get a better R. But anyways, still decent trade. Um, and then I just closed at after the New York AM session. So at 11 o'clock, I just closed my position. I could have maybe let it sat until 12, and then, I mean, it would have been pretty much the same, but like, I don't know. I don't really trade lunch hour, and then I don't really trade in PM. Like, I just trade AM session. So most of the time, I close my trades at like 11 or latest 12 o'clock. Anyways, that's the trade recap. Um, yeah, let me know if you guys took trades today, if you won, if you lost, what you guys think of my trade. Give me some tips, whatever. If no one sees this, it's for myself. Look back at it. Biggest dub so far. Good job.